Every single day, the same loop: wake up, handle the chaos, put out fires, keep everyone alive, work when you can, collapse at night. And somehow, despite all that effort, nothing actually changes. The bank account looks the same. The stress feels the same, the exhaustion. Worse, you're not lazy, you're working harder than most people ever will. But hard work without direction is just motion. And motion without momentum is a treadmill. Get off. Here's what no one tells you. Effort doesn't compound unless it's building something that outlasts a day. Most of what you're doing right now, it resets at midnight. The laundry, the emails, the errands, the hustle. But there's a different category of work, the kind that stacks, the kind that turns today's efforts into next month's income, and the month after that. It's called an asset, and if you're not building one, you're renting your time to survive instead of investing it to grow. This isn't about working more hours. It's about redirecting the hours you already have into something that doesn't vanish when you stop moving. Let me be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick pitch. This is about setting up a system that actually respects your reality. The nap schedules, the interruptions, the fact that you can't commit to a 9-to-5 anything. So let's talk about what you can build during nap time, during the chaos, without pretending your life is anything other than what it is right now. The business model is simple: productized expertise. You take something you already know how to do, package it into a repeatable format, and sell it while you sleep. Not a course empire, not a brand. Just one thing, sold well, to the right people. Here's what that looks like in practice. Let's say you've spent years managing a household budget. You know how to stretch a paycheck, negotiate bills, plan meals around sales, and avoid the debt spiral. That's expertise. Most people don't have it. And they'd pay for a system that works. So you create a digital budget template, not a generic spreadsheet. A personalized system with instructions, categories for real life, a video walkthrough, maybe a bonus checklist for debt payoff. You sell it for $29 on Etsy or Gumroad or your own simple site. Someone buys it at 2 a.m. while you're asleep. You wake up to the notification. No shipping. No customer service nightmare. Just a sale. That's the model. Create once, sell repeatedly. Build during chaos, earn during rest. Now, let's break this into nap time chunks. Because you don't have 8-hour workdays, and pretending you do is why you're exhausted. Chunk 1. Identify your expertise. You don't need to be the world's best at something. You just need to be ahead of where your beer is right now. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? What have I figured out the hard way? What system do I use that others struggle without? That's your starting point. Write it down. 1 sentence. Chunk 2. Package it into a deliverable. Templates work. Checklists work. Step-by-step guides work. Video walkthroughs work. Pick the format that feels easiest for you to create. If you hate being on camera, don't make videos. If you hate writing, record audio and transcribe it later. The goal is to make it repeatable and valuable. Not perfect, not polished, just useful. Chunk 3. Build the thing. This is where most people stall. They overthink it. They wait for inspiration. They convince themselves it needs to be bigger. No, it needs to be done. Block out 3 nap times. In the first one, outline the structure. In the second, fill in the content. In the third, clean it up and export it. 3 naps, 1 product. That's the benchmark. If you're creating a budget template, for example, you'll need a tool to build it in. I linked a simple planner system in the description that works for both digital and printable formats, so you don't waste time searching for the right setup. Chunk 4. List it for sale. Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify. Pick one. Create an account. Write a clear product description. Upload your file. Set your price. This step should take 1 nap. Maybe 2 if you've never done it before. Chunk 5. Drive traffic. This is where most people quit. They create the thing, list it, and expect magic. Traffic is a separate skill, but it's learnable. And it doesn't require a massive following. Pinterest works for visual products. SEO works for Etsy listings. Short-form video works for anything. You don't need all three. You need one, done consistently. Post twice a week, not every day. Not when you feel inspired. Twice a week, on a schedule. That's 5 chunks, 5 naptime blocks. And you have a product that can sell while you're dealing with the next meltdown. Now, the reality check. This isn't passive income on day one. It's semi-passive income after you put in the setup work. The first month, you might make $0, or 50, or 200. It depends on your niche, your execution, and your consistency. But here's what changes. You're no longer trading time for money. You're building an asset that can scale without you. Month 2, you refine the product based on feedback. Month 3, you add a second product or improve your traffic system. Month 6, you're making steady sales without logging in every day. This is not a lottery ticket. It's a setup, and setups take time. But once they're running, they run without you. Let's talk about the identity shift, because this isn't just about money. You've been conditioned to believe that being a mom means sacrificing your autonomy, that choosing your kids means giving up your ambition, that rest is selfish and work is virtuous. All of that is a lie designed to keep you compliant. Building an asset is an act of reclaiming your time. Not someday, now, in the cracks, in the margins. It's saying, I'm allowed to build something that's mine. I'm allowed to create value that doesn't disappear when I stop performing. And when your kids see you doing that, they learn that effort can compound, that creativity has worth, that their mom is more than a support system for everyone else's dreams. That's the real return. The money is just proof that it works. So here's what you do next. Pick your expertise. Write it down. 1 sentence. Then pick your format. 1 deliverable. No branching plans. No vision boards. Block 3 nap times. Build the thing. List it. Drive traffic. Adjust. Repeat. You don't need permission. You don't need a business plan. You don't need to wait until life calms down, because it won't. You just need to start building something that doesn't reset at midnight. Every day you work hard. Make sure some of that work is building forward. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or business advice. Earnings and results vary based on effort, market conditions, and strategy. Always do your own research before starting any business. Some links in the description may be affiliate links.